àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ ẹtì àbámẹ́ta. Hello everyone, my name is Ifeoluwa Oyewumi, aka the Yoruba teacher. You guys could be wondering what my YouTube channel is all about. I'll be bringing to you, my lovely viewers, various educative and informative topics on Yoruba grammar, culture, and tradition. In addition, I'll be providing you, my viewers, videos on different topics in Yoruba. Yoruba is an indigenous language of various tribes and ethnic groups in southwestern Nigeria. It is a very rich language, easy to understand and to speak. So to cut the long story short, it is important for both speaking and not speaking Yoruba person or people to be able to understand, speak, and communicate well in Yoruba language. So do not forget to click on the subscribe icon and notification icon below in order to get notification on other videos that I will be posting in future. Also, do not forget to like this video by giving this video a thumbs up. Àìkú ajé ìṣẹ́gun ọjọ́rú ọjọ́bọ̀ ẹtì àbámẹ́ta. Ọjọ́ méje ló wà láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀. Àwọn náà ni ọjọ́ àìkú, ọjọ́ ajé, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun, ọjọ́rú, ọjọ́bọ̀, ẹtì, àbámẹ́ta. Ọjọ́ àìkú means Sunday, ọjọ́ ajé means Monday, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun Tuesday, ọjọ́rú Wednesday, ọjọ́bọ̀ Thursday, ọjọ́ ẹtì Friday, and ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta Saturday. Thank you, my lovely viewers, for watching this video. So if you hear ọjọ́ àìkú in Yoruba, it means Sunday, and if you hear ọjọ́ ajé, it means Monday, and so on like that. So do not forget to drop your comments at the comment section below if you have learned from this video. And if you want me to make a video on any topic in Yoruba, also drop your comments at the comment section below. Thank you once again.